So guys, we just came from Titan here at the fort. We picked up, we actually won. So I was lucky enough to win the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year for the raffle. So I was able to pick it up. Sold for a little over, forgot the price, 9,000 pesos. So yeah, we have it here. I'll do an unboxing later when I get home. What's up? Thank you, Titan. You guys rock. Boom! And we're back home. So we brought home with us, of course, the new Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year that we won from the raffle over at Titan. I just came from BGC, so I picked this pair up. We have it here. We will unbox it. We will check it out so you guys can have a good idea of what the sneaker is all about. Now we have here your typical Jordan 1 box, which is your black and red with the nice Nike logo here at the top of the box. If you go to the side of the box, you have the size. Usually I go either half or full size up when it comes to Jordans. I don't know why. Mainly because I think my feet are super wide and it just doesn't work for me to go either full true to size, or maybe even some people who advise to go half a size down. I just don't get that. But yeah, to each his own. My feet are wide, so I have to go, yeah, that particular sizing. Now, I can't remember how much exactly I paid for it. I think it was like around 8,000 or 9,000 pesos. But yeah, guys, this is the new Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. Now, before we get to the unboxing, I got this card along with it. So this is like Titan's Premi card. So what happens is if you scan the QR code, which I will not show to you guys here, you get an instant like slot and a smaller pool of a raffle for the next sneakers that they are releasing. And you guys can already see from this postcard what that sneaker is that will be released. From what I've read, this will be released globally, or at least in the US at December 8th. So I don't know what exactly the date is, but here you have it. We have those shoes. I have a Premi card. So chances are, hopefully there's a good chance that I'll also win that raffle. Now, before anything, I just have to say, this is the second time I've won in a Titan raffle. The first one was for the Justin Timberlake Jordan 3s, and I was so stoked, so happy about that one, because that was a sneaker that I really loved. And like what I mentioned to you guys, I loved it because it was brown, it was suede, it was the color tones that I really wanted to have in my collection. And it's just amazing that I lost all the raffles after that, and only to win the next raffle win would be the next pair that I would also really want to add in my collection, because again, it is in brown. So without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. So let's just pop the lid open. And then here, oh wow, here we have it, guys. It looks so much better in person than it is in video or in pictures. Here you have it. This is the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. And man, it looks amazing. Whoo! Talk about heat. Look at that. That is just sick. Now, some observations right off the bat. Well, obviously it comes with extra laces in red, but the default laces are black. So there you have it, you have black laces inside. The leather quality looks amazing. That's the leather part that you guys see here. All the white and the blacks are leather. But the brown, I'm not sure if it's some sort of, I don't know, nubuck or softer leather, but it's definitely not your typical leather that you guys see with your Jordan. So it is fairly different kind of material. Now, apart from that, the thing that jumps out to me the most are these flaps along the side. Because if you take a look at your typical Jordan 1, the flaps are sewn into the collar of the sneaker. So here you have the Game Royal. So as you guys can see, the flap doesn't detach. It's sewn into the collar of the sneaker. But if you take a look at the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year, the flap is open. There's actually something written there, and we'll get to that in a bit, which is very reminiscent of the off-white Jordan 1 and the SB Dunks, actually, wherein the flaps are actually, you can actually, you know, they're just hanging from the side. And you can even take a look at what's written inside. So this is, of course, my favorite sneaker to date. This is my dream pair. I did a review on this, well, unboxing. I haven't done the full review yet. This is the Jordan 1 Off-White Chicago. Whoo! So going back to the Rookie of the Year, here we have it. It looks super fly. And then if you read what's inside the flap, it actually says there, this award is nice, but I just feel it is very important for each individual to go out and contribute to his team, MJ. And then you take a look at the other flap, it says there 1984 to 85 Rookie of the Year. 2,313 points, 28.2 points per game. Of course, that's the story of Michael Jordan when he was the first rookie. Now, again, just with that in mind, I think this purely captures what is the great thing about sneakers today, wherein it's not just about the shoes, it's not just about the materials, but it's about the story of the shoe. And that's what Nike is really trying to drive at when they come out with their new releases. What is the story? What does the shoe stand for? What is the importance of the shoe? What is Michael Jordan trying to say with this particular sneaker? And that's, I think, something that I'm a sucker for and I am loving so much with the recent releases of Jordan brand. I just have to do this because it's like it's a Jordan 1 and you have to do it if it's a Jordan 1. Whew! Smells nice. Addicting. So yeah, guys, that's my unboxing of the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do make sure that you hit that subscribe button, make sure that you hit that notification bell, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram because we are about to draw the winner of the Supreme Body Bag, this Sunday. So make sure that you're part of the pool, do those 3 things, and hit the link down below. Comment on that post so you are part of the pool. Huge shout out again for Titan, for not hooking me up, but at least for doing a fair raffle for everybody who wants to be able to win one. And again, I'm just so happy that I get to win on the raffles that I really want to win. I mean, these are the sneakers that I want to wear, not necessarily want to stock and just leave hanging. So yeah, I beat up my Jordan 3 Justin Timberlake, guys. I mean, if you take a look at it, it is used. So that's what I'm planning to do with this one as well. It's just amazing to win the raffles that matter the most, especially if it's something that you want to wear. So yeah, I just feel great about it. So again, I hope you're all having a great weekend. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom!